Hey, and welcome to the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review. So I bought and used the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic a few months now, and I've decided to make this review video basically just to let you know whether this product works and whether you should buy it. So the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a weight loss supplement derived from the Japanese island of Okinawa. So the people there are accustomed to having a long life expectancy, and the formula used in the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is actually one of their biggest secrets to living a longer life. So as a result, anyone who drank a tonic glass every day of their lives would benefit greatly. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic comes in powder form and contains powerful antioxidants to help eliminate free radicals. So this novel formula targets the root cause of weight gain issues. It's actually a morning metabolism booster that should be taken before 10 a.m. every day. And the best way to take it is by mixing 1 scoop in a glass of water or your favorite beverage once a day. So how does the Flat Belly Tonic work? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic powder is a fat-burning supplement based on a formula inspired by ancient Japan's Okinawa region. So this formula actually works from the inside out to help address the root cause of weight gain to help users lose weight quickly, even while sleeping. One of the leading causes of obesity and fat retention is an inactive metabolism. Without an active metabolism, the body loses its ability to burn fat and calories at full capacity. The supplement is completely safe to use and requires no special diets or workout routines. So now I'll discuss the benefits of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. It is a proven fat-burning outcome and an outcome to lose weight. It enhances the inflammatory response. It reduces your stress level. It has a lot of digestive advantages. It lessens your cravings for food. It improves your mental clarity. It improves your metabolism. It boosts your energy and vitality levels. And it can also be helpful to your liver and cardiovascular system. And an even better one, it can help with self-esteem. So of course, a question that is always asked is if there are any negative side effects of the tonic. No. As long as the user follows the supplement's instructions, no harmful side effects should occur. The Okinawa tonic contains only organic and naturally sourced ingredients, and the formula is free of fillers and synthetic additives, which reduces the risk of side effects and other health issues. And there have been no credible reports of any adverse side effects, so consumers should also consult with a physician before using the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic powder, especially if you're taking it with other supplements or medications. In order for the product to work, you have to make sure that you get it from the official website. So I'll actually put a link to the official website in the description below, so your purchase will be 100% safe. And I'd strongly suggest you to go ahead and get the Flat Belly Tonic because simply, it works. And if you decide to use the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, make sure again to use their official website to make the payment. And I'll put the link to the official website in the description below so you will be 100% safe. Thank you for watching.